So today I'm teaching us how to achieve a bold straight look with our old wig. I'm sure a lot of us want to know how I went about doing that, so I'm going to be showing you in this video.
She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lolaria Line. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the like button when you see this video and also comment under this post. So let's get straight to the business. So this is the wig I'll be using. It's one of my old French wig. It's a double drawn wig. So see the way it's looking. So I'm going to transform it using this method I'm going to be teaching you. So firstly, I'm going to just be combing this hair with my comb. It's a quality human hair, so there's no need for us to worry. So I'll just comb it easily. So after combing, I'm just going to be applying these two products. So if you see my video, you will see me with this product and also this heat protector spray. So I'm going to be applying the heat protector spray all over the hair, in every part of the hair. Heat protector just to prevent the hair from burning out. That's the major work of heat protectors when you're straightening it or styling with heat coiling irons or heat or straighteners. So after applying my heat protectors, I'm just going to be going ahead with it all. So this hair simply repairs and protects the hair, so and also gives it shine. That's why I love using it. So it repairs damaged hair. When you want to style it, just use few drop of it and it gives the hair that shine. I'm just going to be applying it on the hair. So even without styling, you're already seeing the shine. So that's the basic truth about this product. So now I'll just go straight to the styling process. What I'm using to style is my hair straightener. So that's it. Hair straightener, and the way you straighten it, that's what I'll be showing you. But it's not just the regular way you just straighten your wigs. I'm just going to be teaching you how you're going to straighten it with ease. So I'll just be sectioning this hair into different sections, into different parts. So it's easier to straighten. So when sectioning, I like to do my hair straightening or styling line by line. See, this is the first line. So that way you can be able to press the heat into the hair properly and it goes silky. It makes it feel silky that way. So this is after sectioning it. So I will do the needful by combing it again. So this fringe is actually a bob look, but see the way it's looking upside down. So I'm going to be styling the bob look at the long run, so you see the way I'm going to be doing it in the video. So this is me straightening the hair. See my hand, you see the straightener. So I'm going to press it down. See the way I close the mouth. This kind of straightener you have, you can use it, any type of straightener you have, but just make sure you apply the pressure on it. It's the pressure that gives it that silk look. The pressure. So I'm applying pressure on it. So I'll move to the second part. And I'll comb it too. And I'll put pressure. See me clipping my hand together. I'm putting pressure on there. So I'm sure you can see from now. See the way it's dropping easily. That's how bone straight feels like. It drops easily. So see the pressure I'm putting on it. You can even feel the heat from the video. That's the way it is. Feel the heat and press it down. Press it down. So you see I'm doing it more than one time. So you can do it as many times till you feel that texture you want. So I'm just going to be applying this method all through the hair. See this first one I've done. She's already feeling very silky and lush. So that's the way you go through to the end of the hair, the video. So I'm just going to be doing that through to the end of the video. Same method. So just watch through and follow the step. So like I said earlier, to give it that bone straight feel, you have to straighten it. Put pressure on the straightener like 2-3 times. Try to feel silky and smooth. So now see the finished look after straightening it. See, it has that bone straight feel. You know, bone straight, when you flip it this way, it's not going to tangle, it's not going to get scattered. That's the way it is. But I haven't finished. I'm still going to style it into a bob. So hold on and watch to the end of the video. So to give it that bob look, I'm just going to be using my coiling iron. So just watch the way I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to section it this way. See, I've sectioned one side. So I'm just going to be coiling the tip. See, I'm coiling it inwards. I'm just going to leave it for a couple of minutes, just like 1 minute. So it will lay very well. So this can penetrate and the bulb will come out very well. So see, it's already coiling inwards. So I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of the end. So after coiling it, that's not how you want it to be. So I just love to use my ultra old spray, ultra set. It's an olden spray. So just to make the bulb come out very well and last longer. So I'm just going to be spraying on it from a distance. You can see I'm a bit far from it before spraying it. If you spray and you're close to it, to make the hair very strong and you will like the outcome. So I'm just going to be leaving for like 2 to 5 minutes so that the oil spray can sit in very well there. So now I've left it for like 5 minutes, so I'm just going to comb it so you see the outcome. You can see the way we are combing it, the bulb is still there, it's not going straight. That's the work of the wooden spray. So I'm just going to be applying my hair serum, my Ludal's hair serum on it to give it that shine. Just one drop, like I always say. You can see one drop I just put. Just a little bit on top of the hair. So see the finished look after styling. See the feel. See the way I'm flaunting the hair. You even know that it's a regular double drawn hair. You think it's a bone straight. See the feel. It's not scattering. It's giving you that feel that you want, like a bone straight. That's the way you do it. It's not something difficult. So this is the finished look of the hair. You see, it wasn't difficult to do. It's something you can easily do at your own convenience in your house. So let me know if you'll be trying this in the comment section. And don't forget again to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the like button on this post. So you'll be able to see our next post. See you in our next video. Thank you.